Now we are hearing from more people who were at the Gaylord Rockies Hotel this weekend when an entire HVAC system collapsed. 6 people had to go to the hospital, 2 of them with life-threatening injuries.
Denver 7's Christian Lopez spoke to a young boy who says he just avoided being seriously hurt.
Several people were hurt when the HVAC system came crashing down Saturday morning at the indoor pool area here at the Gaylord Rockies Hotel. We spoke with an 11-year-old boy who was celebrating his brother's birthday. He was in the water slide when this all happened.
It was just a moment that it's so vivid. It feels like it didn't happen. It feels like it was a dream.
Elliot Schwemlin was enjoying a fun morning at the pool Saturday, celebrating his brother's birthday with friends and family at the Gaylord Rockies Hotel. This picture of him and his friend was taken moments before chaos erupted.
We just had got out of the hot tub, and he went on the orange slide, which was the smaller one. I went on the white slide, which is the bigger one. Halfway down the slide, I hear a big boom and like crashing, and then I started hearing people like screaming. In the slide, I thought I was gonna die. I thought it was like a bomb.
It was the sound of the entire HVAC system crashing down onto several guests.
When I get down, I see all the AC system is on the ground. The lifeguard, he was screaming at me to get out of the water.
I saw him come out, and he was shaking and crying and saying, I almost died. And he told me, you know, people are hurt. Mom, people are hurt in the hot tub.
A hot tub that Elliot and his friend had just been in.
I just thought, what if me and my friend stayed in the hot tub and didn't decide to go to the water slide?
Because it fell onto the hot tub?
Yeah, that's where most of the injuries happened. The big ones.
Aurora Fire says 6 people were hurt, 2 of them with life-threatening injuries. While Elliot and his mom continue to process everything that happened.
That's the closest I've ever been to getting seriously injured.
It was terrifying to think that had they all been in a slightly different place, you know, we might not all be okay.
They say their hearts are with those who weren't as lucky.
People are just there to probably be relaxing with their families and celebrating something maybe, and things just changed from a safe environment to very not safe very quickly.
In Aurora, I'm Christian Lopez, Denver 7.
It's awful. We reached out to the city of Aurora about what happened there at Gaylord Rockies. The city says it's a property owner's responsibility to investigate what caused this, and the resort then will have to submit repair plans to the city for review.